Hello, my name is Dr. Sloffin. I am here today to talk to you about something very, very important. Hiccups. What is a hiccup?
A hiccup is an involuntary spasm of the diaphragm. The spasm is followed by a quick closure of the vocal cords, which produces a distinctive sound. It is very common in babies and infants.
Now it is time to look in a book. Today's book is The Color Atlas of Human Anatomy by another doctor, who is not me. We are looking at the diaphragm, which is basically right here, this white part right here under the lungs, which are these gray matter right there. And so as the lungs try to expand to get more air, the diaphragm gets smaller to let the lungs expand so you can breathe better. And as the lungs get smaller as you exhale, the diaphragm gets bigger to make up for the space so that you don't have empty little pockets in your body. Another good illustration of the diaphragm would be basically right here, the diaphragm. So it's labeled right there, diaphragm. So this is what it is, and that is what your diaphragm looks like according to the Color Atlas of Human Anatomy by some doctor. That's what it is. There is many speculation as to the causes of hiccups and what causes the hiccups. So we are going to take a look at basically what causes.
Possible causes of hiccups include abdominal surgery, any disease or disorder that irritates the nerves that control the diaphragm, hot and spicy foods, noxious fumes, liquids with carbonation, stroke or tumor affecting the brain, or possibly overstimulation of the glossopharyngeal nerve.
Alright, kitty cat, we are about to look in another book, The Atlas of the Human Body, which is slightly different than the Color Atlas of the Human Anatomy. Anyways, it is by that right there. We are going to look at the... what are we looking at? Oh, the glossopharyngeal nerve, which supposedly is a possible cause of hiccups. We follow the line up and see where this nerve exactly is. Oh dear, it appears to be that yellow thing right there. And apparently it goes up into that other bally thing, and that is the nerve that possibly is overstimulated to create hiccups. Okay, that's that then. If your hiccups persist for many days, you should see a doctor of some sort. That doctor will probably ask you several questions about your hiccups, such as when they started, how long have you had them, and how many seconds go by before the next one. Or perhaps they'll just watch and find that last question out. But anyways, your doctor may perform gastric lavage on you, or they may end up massaging your carotid sinus, which is supposedly in your neck somewhere. They may also give you medications such as phenothiazine, ibuprofen, anticonvulsants, and supposedly those may help you out a little bit, according to your doctor.
Gastric lavage, also called gastric suction, empties the stomach. Basically, a tube is inserted through the nose or the mouth, and it goes down the esophagus into the stomach. How this helps with hiccups is that possibly whatever hot and spicy foods or carbonated liquids you ingested will be pumped out of the stomach, thus allowing you to end your hiccups. And that is how it is used.
Alright, so the massage of the carotid sinus in the neck. We're about to look in this book once again. So basically this is your neck, and the common carotid artery is right here, this red thing right there. So also the external, it appears, is right there. And the internal, I'm kind of confused. Oh, the common. Okay, anyways, so basically, I'm assuming that the massage of the sinus would be around somewhere there, assuming that the sinus is around the vein and arteries. Many people have their own suggestions as to how to end hiccups and how to stop them. Some things possibly work for some people and some don't, but everyone has their own ideas of how to stop them, so we're going to take a look at possible suggestions to stop hiccups. Drink ice cold water. Breathe into a paper bag. Eat a spoonful of sugar. Hold your breath. Lie upside down. Hit yourself in the head with a book. Well, it is true that we are not exactly sure what purpose hiccups is used for. However, now you know the possible causes and the possible ways to end it, and a general idea of what it is. So, next time you have hiccups, just think about me and have a great evening, all. Thank you very much. Dr. Slofflin Floffin. Goodbye. Oh, hiccup!